Hi, my name is Karoliina Torttila and I am an AI director at Trimble. Construction technology is becoming more pervasive, more connected, and thus generating more data than ever. And this is where AI can help us deal with these vast volumes of data and cultivate that into information. The Internet of Things is very important for the continuous tracking of the construction site. And this is true for good construction materials, this is true for workers, this is true for construction equipment, and then later down the line for rooms and in entire buildings. It offers us this continuous data that is complemented by snapshots of data that remote sensing offers, but it's definitely a valuable part of the equation. The digitalization of the construction industry is inevitable. We need real-time and accurate data of the construction site for the design process. We need it for following the progress of construction sites. We need it for maintaining these assets and then dealing with the end-of-life part and phase of the buildings. As we're cultivating and creating these data sets, we also need to be aware of the fact that they become valuable not only to the construction industry, but also to bad actors elsewhere. So this is why, in parallel to us driving the digitalization of the construction site, we need to be very thoughtful about protecting it from external threats. IT security looks more inwards, where cybersecurity also is very conscious of external threats to our digital assets and thinking ahead in how we can proactively protect the digital assets. We can't very well encourage the construction industry to create these data sets and share these data sets if we cannot also promise them that we will take care of their data. So in order for our industry to continue moving forward, continue its digitization process and this more open collaboration across stakeholders, it's important that they have the confidence in their data being safe and secure. Cybersecurity is often thought as something that slows down the progress of technology and the development of technology. But in a way, it can help us arrive at a better end result from the get-go, because cybersecurity forces us to think through many scenarios of how our products are being used and how our systems are being used. So it can be a positive as well. It's important that not just the pioneers in construction embrace technology, but the entire sector embraces productivity. And this is true because we are one of the sectors that has seen the least productivity improvements over the last decades, while at the same time suffering from a massive labor shortage. So we need to do more, and we need to do it with fewer people. And technology advancements are the only way to do this. So people need to have trust in that technology so that we can deploy it at scale. Artificial intelligence is great at pattern recognition, and by being great at pattern recognition, it offers novel ways for us to combat cybersecurity attacks at scale, in very creative ways as well. Artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of both cyber threats as well as cybersecurity. And it's a very interesting time for this space. But I think it's by working with partners such as Microsoft and AWS and Google's and others in the ecosystem that we can together push for artificial intelligence to remain ahead of the curve when it comes to the cyber threats.